Hi, today we're at 2928 Wickwire Street. It's on a nice little street here in the Paxon area between 11th and 12th Street. All these homes up here are owned by somebody, which makes it nice and stable. A nice carport here. Let's go in and take a look. Okay, this is a nice sized living room. Has relatively new windows in it. Got a space here for a sofa. TV went over here. A place here for a chair. A little love seat. Okay, kitchen wise. Okay, got new kitchen counters. New cabinets. It's a 3-door here. New stove. Nice new refrigerator. Place here for a little dinette table. Tiled. Nicely painted. This is a pretty big main bedroom. Chest of drawers or dresser can go right here. Another chest of drawers, dresser there. Got a big area for a king-size bed against this wall. Dresser over here. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. New carpet. Bed can go against this wall here. Got plenty of room for a dresser and a chest. Bathroom. Good condition. Got a storage closet here. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Out the back door. We got a little patio area screened in. It's not here in the spring. Enjoy the weather. Got a new privacy fence back there. Nice washer. And this is another storage unit. This goes out to the carport. Okay. And you got the water heater closet. Okay, really nice. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's a concrete block house. It'll last forever. It's about almost 800 square feet. Fenced in, partially fenced in front yard, fenced in backyard. Okay, there you have it. 2928 Wickwire. Come on down.